Welcome to our channel. Today we how to identify profitable market trends. Complete guide step by step. Begin by defining what a market trend is. Understand that a market trend reflects the general direction in which a market is moving. Research various sources to collect data about industries of interest. Analyze economic reports, market research studies, and industry news. Identify patterns in consumer behavior through surveys and social media analytics. Utilize tools such as Google Trends to gauge public interest over time. Look for emerging technologies or innovations that could influence market dynamics. Keep an eye on demographic shifts that may impact consumer needs and preferences. Attend industry conferences and networking events for first-hand insights. Engage with industry experts or thought leaders to gather their perspectives. Evaluate competitor strategies to understand what market segments they are targeting. Use SWOT analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to the trends. Cross-reference your findings with sales data and market performance metrics. Create a visual representation of these trends using charts or graphs for clarity. Assess the potential risks and rewards associated with the identified trends. Develop a strategic plan to leverage these trends for your business or investment. Monitor the trends continuously to stay ahead of changes in the market landscape. Be prepared to pivot your strategy based on real-time feedback and new information. Document your findings and conclusions for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.